chances are your building is costing you tens of thousands of dollars in preventable energy waste each year. In fact, 95% of all buildings, including those rated as energy efficient, are still wasting energy because they're not fully optimised. It's like owning a car and not getting it regularly serviced or tuned. You just wouldn't do it. It's the same for buildings. If you're not continuously retro-commissioning the building, performance starts to degrade. Fans run when they shouldn't be. Sensors fail. Valves get stuck. Heating and cooling functions drift out of alignment or even compete with each other. All of which is going to hit you in the pocket. Inefficient building HVAC systems alone result in more than $400 billion in wasted energy costs and 1 billion tonnes of excess carbon emissions every year, equivalent to the carbon footprint of more than 200 million people. And that's why we created BTune, to help our building owners and operators easily operate their HVAC system at peak performance to cut that excess energy waste, costs and carbon emissions. Here's how it works. Firstly, we work with you to understand how your building operates and your specific goals. We then establish a cyber-secure link between your building and BTune's technology. Our tech analyses the huge stream of data your building is already generating. No expensive equipment upgrades, sensor installations, or system reprogramming required. And it compares current operation to best practice energy efficient operation to find the big and little things we can do to save you energy and cut carbon. And here's the BTune difference. Our solution can then automatically deploy your approved action plan via what's known as Automated System Optimization, or ASO for short, aligning your operations to industry best practices in just minutes. And BTune continuously maintains your building's energy performance and targets further improvements over time using 24/7 continuous loop of real-time data collection, preemptive diagnostics, and real-time correction. We measure and verify all of the savings using an internationally accepted protocol, so you can trust the results BTune delivers for you are real and proven. Typical results are reductions of 15 to 20% in whole building energy use, costs, and carbon emissions. On top of that, a building operating at best practice has reduced maintenance costs, improved occupant comfort, and longer equipment life, all of which supports higher net operating income and asset value. Our pay-for-performance pricing model reflects our confidence. You don't pay anything until we've measured and verified your energy savings, and there are no upfront costs and no long-term commitments. BTune literally pays for itself with a portion of the savings it generates for you. To top it all off, you're likely eligible for utility rebates and incentives for deploying BTune. BTune is backed by Becker, a 3,500 person advisory firm with more than 100 years of building industry experience, which means we've tested and proven our solution in real buildings just like yours. That's how we know we can deliver the same results for you. Get in touch with our team to learn how much BTune can help you save and how you can confidently bring your buildings into a more sustainable, efficient future.